Hey everyone, and welcome to another Seesaw Shakeup, where we take some classic Seesaw activities and give them a modern makeover that'll save you time and spark student engagement. Today we're shaking up an idea of an activity. We have a math activity in mind where students are ordering together cards and we want to have an automatic assessment with it. What I'm going to do to create this activity is actually start from scratch, and I'm going to go down to reading fluency. Now, even though we're doing a math activity, this can still be used for reading as well. So we're going to leave this default reading fluency assessment mode, but we're going to change our time limit to be just 30 seconds. It's going to warn us to say this is too long to read. That's okay. What we're going to do here is actually drop in the numbers that the students are actually using in the order that they'll actually fall in their center itself. So our numbers are 35, 49, 52, and 61, just like this. Now we have this text in here, and this is actually something that students can see. So we're going to try to actually make this quickly disappear. We don't need this. We can shrink it way down. If you want to, you can even match it to the background color. If you can get that to fit just like this, it's completely gone and out of the way for our students. The next couple things I'm going to do is just resize where the actual response is the students are saying these numbers into. The final step we're going to do in here is actually add in a frame, because we want students to come in here, take a picture of the cards in the correct order, and then record themselves saying those numbers in order as well. These directions don't necessarily match exactly what I want, so I can re-record them or I can delete them and update them as well. Tap the mic and read the passage aloud. We want this to say, take a photo and read the numbers in order, just like this. All right, we're all finished with this activity. I'm going to click the check and I'll show you what this looks like on the back end. So here's what a student response could look like. We see a photo of their cards in order. We have a recording of them actually reading these numbers. And since we wrote the numbers as the assessment, it actually will tell me how correct they were by saying those numbers in order. Now, students could accidentally say the wrong number, or they could have these in the wrong order, but this allows you to just have information quickly at your fingertips as to how students are completing their centers and to what kind of misconceptions you might need to address in your classroom at a very high level. Now, this is just one version of this for lower elementary. You could up-level this for your upper elementary students by having something such as this, having harder cards that they actually need to compute and then put into order as well. Or you could flex this into any way, shape, or form where students are doing something hands-on and they're sharing their response verbally and having a fluency assessment to be able to measure that growth and give you the information quicker and easier in your classroom. I hope you enjoyed shaking up this idea of an activity. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see your activity shaken up, drop it in as a link in a comment and we'll do our best to get to it in the future. Thank you so much for watching.